Oh, oh God. Oh, there's so much poop. Oh no. Not again. Ah! Oh, okay. Whew. Sorry about that. Having a newborn is wild. Anyway, all kidding aside, being a parent is crazy. It's been quite the experience. As of today, I've been a dad for 2 weeks, and it's been a ride. Um, Currently, my wife and the baby are laying down, and I'm gonna try and work on a little something. I'm gonna see if the old truck will fire up, which poses another problem. It's definitely gonna wake the baby up, so I'm sure my wife will be thrilled about that. But we got a couple of things I want to do to it. Nothing major, but kind of give you guys an update of where I've been. So let's see if this thing will run. I guess we'll see if this thing will even run. Actually, I wonder if I can roll it down there without starting it. This is the only good thing about living on a hill. Easy. Easy. The really good part is now it's going to be sitting in the driveway if it won't start. So, let's hope that doesn't happen. Come on. Don't stop on me now. Ow. Okay. Now that we're a little ways from the house, let's see if it'll start. Keep in mind, it's a mechanical pump and it's been sitting for 2.5 weeks. So it's going to take a minute. And I have absolutely nothing. Well, remember how I said worst case scenario be stuck in my driveway if it won't start? It won't start. I'm hoping the battery's just dead. Maybe. Maybe I should have just stayed in the house. Well, here's the current situation. I have 35 extension cords running to the end of my driveway where my truck is sitting on the battery charger. So, I don't really know what's going on other than when I hooked the battery charger up, it was, my volt gauge was like spiking on and off, and it almost sounded like a blinker solenoid was clicking. So I played with that. I played with the emergency flasher and I played with the blinker arm, and it quit doing it. So I don't know, I guess either I hit that thing when I parked it last, or maybe the blinker switch is going bad. I mean, things had a rough life. So, I don't know. Maybe we'll look into that. I'm usually good about unhooking the battery. I did not. What do you know? Also, I guess it's worth noting that if something in the back of your mind says maybe you shouldn't do it that way because you might be causing yourself a headache, probably listen to that little voice, because, you know, somebody's trying to help you out. I know it's surprising, but it seems like wasp. You better get out of here, bud. Anyway, I did something to make the battery go dead, so I'll take the blame, because I don't know who else would have. And I'm gonna, now that I've got to get it warm from, you know, letting it run and charge the battery, I gotta work on the exhaust. So I am gonna let that cool for just a minute. I think I gotta jack it up, which will take, you know, 2.78 minutes. Yeah. Quick update. The S10 is back there. I ordered a rebuild kit for the Power Glide. We're gonna put fresh steels and clutches in it and a new band and see how that does. I also ordered a new fuel pump for it, so we do have work to do around here. It's me again. Little backstory on what I'm doing here. The last time I drove my truck, I was cruising down the street in my 6.7. It's not a 6.4. So, anyway, dumb. So dumb. It sounded louder than I was used to. And I also heard an exhaust leak. And I was like, that's weird. And then I was like, that's a new rattle. I'm like, thing's got a lot of rattles, but I know a new one when I hear it. And I was like, yeah, that's really strange. So I kept driving it, as you should. And got home and looked under it. You know, curiosity killed the cat. And this was back here by the muffler, and it goes up there. So as you can see, it made a little bit of a journey on its own, because apparently all the nuts fell out of it. And to be perfectly honest, oh God, I dropped you. Woo! We're back. To be perfectly honest, I don't know. I have no clue what's holding the exhaust to the header. Because there's one hanger. Oh, that one hanger is holding the whole thing. I just figured it out when I kicked it. I guess it's a good thing I put the hanger in the middle. Because that is the only thing holding it together. Huh. Anyway, I'm gonna zip this together and then we'll see where we get to, if it's anywhere. It's still got an exhaust leak, but we're gonna call it fixed. I'm just gonna give this thing a bath, and we're gonna call it quits for today. Pro tip: steal your wife's dish soap when you can't find your car wash soap. Doesn't hurt to throw a little on the hood either. They're 15s, but I keep They're 15s, but I keep them clean though. Probably go ahead and charge this. Did you just look at it? Anyway, I know it's kind of a weird video. It's very short. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of life and learn this new way with a baby. So whatever. I know I didn't get much done of anything, but we will start working on this thing. We're kind of getting in a routine, and you know, it's gonna take a while, but I do plan on still trying to make these videos because it's something I really enjoy doing. And next video, I believe we're gonna get the interior cleaned up on that thing, and I have a different shifter to put in it because I'm tired of that ratchet shifter that's in there. It's just wore out, and tired of messing with it. So yeah, look forward to that next time. I have no idea what the title or thumbnail of this video is going to be, or really anything right at the moment. But yeah, if you watch this far into this video, I thoroughly appreciate you, because, yeah, I probably wouldn't watch till the end of this video either. So, see you guys next time. Bye. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.